a leading name in Indian woodworking industry, having its headquarters in Bangalore Penya industrial area, which is one of the world's second largest industrial area. Woodtech has the largest demo center in the country, having a live demo of more than 30 machines, both solid wood and panel processing machines, with highly qualified technical staff to demonstrate the capabilities of the machines. Woodtech has dedicated warehouse for the storage of machines, and most of the machines are kept in stock for immediate supply to the clients. All the machines are handled very carefully with trained staff so that the machines reach the client safely. Woodtech also provides free training to all the operators of the clients when they buy these machines.
Think of wood, think of Woodtech. Woodtech is a technology-oriented company providing end-to-end solution for the woodworking industry. We provide solutions from sawmilling to the finishing. Woodtech is also known for the servicing, and we have service centers across India, and most of our service engineers are trained abroad in our principal factories in Europe, Taiwan and China. Woodtech has over the years developed many loyal customers, and the customers keep coming back to us time and again based on the trust they have kept on us. We also believe in maintaining relationship with the customers, and we have long-standing relationship with all our customers across India. Woodtech also provides turnkey consultancy for setting up furniture manufacturing units, and we have been instrumental in setting up many export-oriented units across India.
Woodtech has dedicated division for manufacturing automated seasoning kilns for drying timber. Woodtech has installed more than 300 automated kilns in India alone. Woodtech Supply stands as a leader in this industry.
And we as Woodtech have built many loyal customers over the years, and the clients come back to us repeatedly. This shows the confidence that they keep on Woodtech.
Woodtech has professional and dedicated staff for each department to service the needs of the clients. Woodtech also works on specialized ERP software to deliver the best. Each of the staff has been trained in the respective department to manage the task given to them to perfection. Woodtech has created a very good spacious office environment to deliver the task with full freedom and comfort. Woodtech maintains a very high standard in project planning, and each of the projects are designed and planned in discussion with the entire project team to deliver the best.
Think of wood, think of Woodtech. Woodtech is mainly service-oriented unit. Woodtech is having service network across the India. We have various service centers based at Chennai, Hyderabad, Cochin, Pune, Mumbai, Indore, New Delhi, Jodhpur and Jaipur. Most of our engineers have very good thorough knowledge on all of the machines, which is one of the most USP of Woodtech. Also, to support the customer, we will keep all the spare parts in our stock so that customer will be very happy.
Woodtech also has a manufacturing unit in joint venture with Costa Italy for manufacturing high-quality wide belt sanders. This is the first wide belt sanders unit in India, where Woodtech and Costa stands as a leader with more than 150 installations of wide belt sanders in India in the span of 6 years.
Every business is a big challenge to all. In our young age, we took a big challenge to start Woodtech in 2001, developed step by step and achieved one of the leading woodworking machinery company in India. Secret and success of Woodtech is believe in directors, Woodtech team, being transparent and maintaining good relationship with our clients. We don't need any magic to change the market or world. We carry power of passion for growth. Think of wood, think of Woodtech.
Think of wood, think of Woodtech.
Think of wood, think of Woodtech.
Woodtech, a perfect combination of dedicated teamwork and hard work. Think of wood, think of Woodtech.